If you're feeling overwhelmed about money, you're not alone. Many people struggle with financial challenges, and it's often hard to know where to begin. But today, I'm here to share my personal step-by-step plan to help you start over without the pressure of unrealistic expectations. First, let's shift our focus from fixing everything at once to stabilizing your situation. It's crucial to stop the panic and gain control. Instead of feeling shame for past mistakes, let's focus on small, achievable wins. Momentum is key. In your first 24 to 72 hours, prioritize stability. You don't need to budget or invest yet. Just take a breath. Start by listing your essential bills: housing, utilities, food, and transportation. These are the must-pay bills that keep your life running. Next, assess what will happen if you miss any of these payments. Prioritize based on impact, not just urgency. Then, make those important calls. Talk to your landlord or utility providers and ask about hardship plans. This can relieve some pressure and prevent a tough month from getting worse. Once you have a handle on those basics, it's time to build a simple budget. Start with 2 questions. What money is coming in? Where is it going? If your income fluctuates, still keep track of your baseline. You can choose either a simple spending plan or a zero-based budget where every dollar has a purpose. Stop viewing irregular expenses as surprises. Car repairs or annual fees should be anticipated, not treated as emergencies. If debt is part of your story, pick a payoff strategy that you can genuinely stick to. Whether it's focusing on the smallest balance for quick wins or attacking the highest interest first, consistency is what counts. As you navigate this journey, remember to consider additional ways to boost your income. Stabilize your main paycheck first, then look for small, manageable side gigs to boost your earnings. It's also vital to build an emergency fund in 2 stages. Start small to cushion unexpected expenses, then work towards a more substantial fund for greater stability. Investing comes after your foundation is strong. Focus on simplicity and long-term security rather than trying to catch up fast. Learn the basics before diving in. Create a straightforward 1-page plan for the next 12 months. Outline your top priorities and measurable goals. Simplicity is your friend here. And finally, establish routines. Schedule a weekly money meeting to keep tabs on your progress and automate essential payments when you can. If you had to start over today, take action. Pick 1 step from today's discussion and tackle it now. Your journey begins with small, actionable steps. So share your thoughts in the comments. What area do you find most challenging if you had to start over? Cutting expenses, paying off debt, or boosting your income? If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone in need of a calm financial plan. You've got this. Let's start this journey together.